Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you my new knife. So this is a French classic, it's a all-around knife, the Opinel. This is number 8 in a I would say spear point or drop point configuration. So not the standard one. I don't know how long they're producing this version of the knife, but when I saw it, I really wanted to try one out. So in the box there is a little paper, probably some instructions. Yes, the different models they have, probably the new models, and the A. So this is the garden knife number 8 for weeding and cutting salad, vegetables and dandelions. Okay. Interesting. So we have a vegetable knife. Nice. So this one has a nice curvature to the handle, like on the standard Opinels. They're just straight. And number 8 designation, made in France, of course. And the safety lock, double safety. So this is a very genius design, how to secure your your folding knife. Sits really good in hand. Really nicely executed. And a piece of paper here. Let's test the sharpness. Alright. Okay. It has a toothy edge, but with a little bit of stropping. Yes, I can feel the edge a little bit rolled over because it's just so thin, very thin. With a little bit of stropping, this will be a laser cutter. So this is in inox, so this is stainless steel version. I don't know if they offer it also in high carbon. Really beautiful knife. Yes, and in my opinion, an excellent gift. And the number 8 is probably also for a big hand a decent size. I don't know if they're making them up to what number, maybe 10, I don't know. But the regular Opinels, you have the smallest one and also a big one. So who knows, maybe I will pick up some more. Okay, so this is the vegetable knife from Opinel in the configuration of length number 8. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.